Welcome to another UniPhi training video. This video will cover creating contract deliverables. Let's now create a contract. Select your project from the drop-down list, and then click on the Contracts tab. Click the Add button to create a contract. Enter all of the details of your contract. Specify the principal and the supplier. Additional details such as dates and status can also be entered. Click to save your contract information. Next we need to add deliverable items to the contract. Select the type of contract deliverable and add in information per deliverable. Remember to save your changes. Add in any subsequent deliverable items. And click Save. Change the view to see your contract in more detail. Your contract has now been created. For more help, visit any of these support websites or call us for more info.